with the fun reading. Baby, today we'll be reading Creepy Castle and the Ghost Train. Ooh. Ghost Train. Skelly and Ellie woke up one morning and looked out of her window. A fair had arrived next to the creepy castle. A fair? Skelly and Ellie cried. I love fairs. But only Tony didn't feel the same way at all. I don't want all of these people so close to the creepy castle, he said. They'll scare everyone away. Oh no, I'd like to look around first, replied Skelly and Ellie. The fair was filled with people having lots of fun. Skelly and Ellie saw people screaming as the roller coaster zipped up and down. But only Tony saw children laughing as they sat on the Ferris wheel. Just then, Boney Tony stopped. The twister, it zoomed around and round very fast. Wow! He exclaimed. I want to go on that. Okay, said Skelly and Ellie. I'm going to buy some candy floss. I love candy floss. Very tasty. Boney Tony reached the front of the twist line. 50 pence, please. 50 pence, said the twister man. Boney Tony had no money. No money, no ride, said the man. Yeah, that's how life works. You need money for everything, basically. Skelly and Ellie reached the front of the candy floss line. 50 pence, said the candy floss lady. Skelly and Ellie also had no money. No money, no candy floss, said the lady. Skelly and Ellie and Boney Tony were upset. They didn't know what to do. Just then, a little boy came out of the ghost train tunnel. That was a scary ghost train, he said. We want our money back, said the boy's dad to the ghost train man. Skelly, Nellie, and Boney Tony ran over the ghost train man. We can make the ghost train scary, they said. Real skeletons, exclaimed the ghost train man. Perfect. Real perfect. Skelly, Nellie, and Boney Tony ran into the tunnel. It was very dark inside. All they could see was some plastic skeletons and a pair of paper ghosts. These aren't scary, laughed Boney Tony. Not scary at all. Just then, a car chugged into the tunnel. Skelly and Ellie danced along beside it, rattled her bones. Ah! Screamed the people. A dancing skeleton! Another car chugged into the tunnel. Boney Tony hid in the darkness and sang a spooky song. Ah! The people cried, he's making that noise. The next car chugged into the tunnel. Skelly, Nellie, and Boney Tony pulled scary faces. Ah! Cried the children. Scary skeletons! Boney Tony and Skelly Nellie stayed in the tunnel all day, scaring people, of course. At last, the ghost train man came in. I'm closing now, he said. Thanks for helping. He gave Skelly Nellie and Boney Tony some money. Please, will you come back tomorrow? He asked. Of course, said Boney Tony. It's been fun. The fun's not over yet, said Skelly Nelly. She ran to the candy floor store. Bernie Tony ran to the Twister ride. We can't wait for tomorrow, they laughed. The end. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, hit the bell notification, subscribe so you can see the rest of my videos. Bye guys!